Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am showing you how I got this copper glitter eye, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. I had a malfunction with the lip gloss. You'll find that out later. It was a problem. Yeah, I did my face off camera again because it seems to be faster because I do my face the same as I do all the other times. So let me know if you like that, how I do that, and if you guys want to see how I got this cute copper look, I'm going to show you. So keep on watching. Today I am taking my Morphe 35O palette and I am going to be starting off with the shade right here. I am taking that on a Sigma E38 brush and I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm not smoking it out today, I'm just like putting it like right around like my eye socket. I think next I am going to be going in with this red-orange shade right here. I am going to be taking that on the same brush and putting it slightly lower than where I put that first shade. Next, I am going to be taking this brown shade right here and putting that right in my crease here, slightly lower again. I'm taking a big fluffy brush and going into that first shade that I used and blending out the edges. I'm going to be picking up more of that second like red-orange shade that I used because I don't really have enough on my eyes that I wanted, so I'm going to build that up a bit. Now that I got the red pigment where I wanted it, I'm going to take some Shape Tape and clear out my lid space. Now that I cleared out my lid space, I am going to be going in with this copper shade right here. I'm going to take that and put that right where I covered my eye with concealer. Next, over that, I'm going to take a little bit of my Too Faced glitter glue and take that on a little brush and cover up like where I put that shade down because I'm gonna add glitter. I'm going to be taking my Glitter Brilliance from NYX and the shade Copper, and I'm gonna put that where I put the glitter glue. I'm gonna pack that on my eyelid. I just realized that I still have to clean my room before my friends come over. It is 5:35 and they come over at 7. We'll see. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner and I'm just going to add a wing to this look. I kind of realized that I probably should have put eyeliner on before I did the glitter, but what are you gonna do? Okay guys, I'm going to do my face off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I am done with my face. I finished with my face, so I'm gonna go back in and work on the bottom of my eyes, like the, what are they called? Waterline? Yeah, the waterline of my eyes. I'm just gonna take these two shades right here, these two, and rub that underneath my eyeball. Next, I am taking this NYX eyeliner. It is in the shade Cafe, and it's just a brown, and I'm gonna run that on my tight line and waterline. Next, I am going to put on mascara. I'm just going to be taking this Rimmel Scandalized mascara and putting that on my lashes. Ooh, I have like leftover glitter glue and like glitter in them. Oops. I felt like I should tell you what highlight I was using today, but I was using the Nicole Guerrero palette, and I was using Daydream. I've never used this one before, and I kind of like it. Like, I really dig it. Next, for lips, I am going to be taking my Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie lip gloss in the shade Trailblazer. Update, I think I broke it, but I'm still gonna use it. I definitely broke it. Oh, I don't know how this happened. Like the thing, like it's supposed to open like right here, but it's just, I don't know what happened. I'm just gonna, it's leaking. This is a mess. I'm just gonna leave it sitting out because I don't want to throw it away. I love this gloss. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want, feel free to like this video, subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do. If you want, feel free to drop a comment down below, whatever you want to say hi. Let's be friends. Follow me on my social medias. My personal Instagram is Breadknee, like it's Breadknee. Breadney, like Brettney, but Breadney, huh? And then my makeup Instagram is makeup_bread. I'll let you know whenever I post a new video. And my Snapchat is Snap-jodlc. So add me and I'll catch you later.